here's what the chemist is going to hear when you ask for multi-modal cleaner coater. Let's talk about the cleaner coater part of it for a moment first. When they hear you say cleaner coater, what that means is you want something that cleans and coats. You want something that degreases and phosphates. Something that removes oils and puts a conversion coating on it. So they will put some soaps or some surfactants and soaps in it that will help degrease and clean as it puts the corrosion protection and the conversion coating on. Okay? So even if you did degrease it first, if there was a little bit of oils and things that may have been left on it, it's just that extra step that will help you. Here's the more important. Multi-metal. When you say multi-metal, what they will hear is they're going to do ferrous and non-ferrous metals. They're going to do steel and aluminum. So I need to make sure that this is a chemical that will etch both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. What typically happens with that is that lets them know to put fluoride or something of that nature in the chemical, which will help it etch aluminum. Because if it doesn't have something like a fluoride in it, it won't etch it.